This is the Morse code translator. It'll turn Morse code into actual letters that display on this screen. The OLED is showing directions, telling which buttons do what, and telling what an invalid input looks like. So now let's try and write something. So let's write hello. H E L L O. And we can do other things, for instance, like SOS. S O S. The Morse code translator has the entire alphabet, and it'll show you what an invalid input looks like. So let's do that. It'll show a skull for that. Clear it, and you can do anything you want with this. Type whatever messages you want and just have fun.